donut, soft donut. You have milk, salt, sugar, oil, margarine or blue band, anyone you had, and dry yeast, and 3 eggs. So you're going to start mixing eggs. Put your dry yeast, put 6 sugar. You will put 6 sugar, small salt. You mix it till everything is mixed. Then after, you have to put that your blue band, which is melted, and 1 cup of milk. Then after you mix it everything, then put 8 cup of this flour. You can use anyone which is work for you. You put vanilla to make it smells good, and put very small oil to make it soft. Then you mix it everything. Then you add flour like 2. Then everything in total flour I put just 10 cup. Then you use your hand to mix everything. Well, mix it till it's getting soft and not hard. Then you put it in the fridge. You remove it in the fridge after 40 minutes when the dough is cleansing. You leave it there. It's going to make it lace. When it's cleansing, you remove it from fridge. Then you start making your dough small. As you can see, it's very big. Then you start cutting it into 2 small pieces. Then when you finish to cut it into small pieces, you have to prepare the place you are going to do it. Cut it into small pieces. Yes, I like to do my donut like this, very tiny. Then I can make it like circle. Then I press it so it can be sweet. Then you put your oil, prepare your oil, make it hot, but not too much hot, so it cannot burn your donut. Put everything inside. Let it put fire like low the fire. Yes, low the fire. As you can see, we're starting burning because I put too much fire. Yes. Then load your fire, low it. Then your donut will start changing the color. Very small. Prepare another donut you was preparing. Is changing color orange, chocolate. Prepare the place you are going to put it, everything. It was not easy. Then the donut, as you can see, is changing to chocolate. It's very smelling good. It's smelling very good. Guys, I recommended you to do this. Then after few minutes, like 15 minutes, you remove everything. Yes, let it dry. Put an extra. Yes, as you can see, it's very soft donut. Mandazi ku Banyarwanda n'Abarundi, they are very sweet and soft. Yeah, as you can see. Enjoy. Wow, I was very proud to make this donut.